Hello my dear geographers, now it's time to discuss the different types of pollution. So here, first let's understand what do we understand by the air pollution. So air pollution is the excessive concentration of foreign matter in the air which adversely affects the well-being of human beings. Not only human beings, the animals, plants and their environment. So from here we can get the two different and important key sentence. Number one, the concentration of foreign matter in the air, and number two, which adversely affects the living and non-living things. Now let's discuss about the 5 major causes of air pollution. So number one, it is industry. Obviously industries are a major contributor to air because from this industry different types of poisonous gases emit out and then they mix with the air, and by this the air is getting polluted. Number two, vehicular emission, like vehicle emission you can say, like through the different transportation system, again the different types of poisonous gases they come out and they mix with the environment, and like this our environment is getting affected. Number three, household and the farming chemicals. Household, for household purposes also we burn different things. From there the like different types of bad substances they come and they mix with the air, and then the farming chemicals. In farms or in agricultural field we use the different types of chemical fertilizers and all, and when they are very fine or they are generally suspended in nature, so they come and mix with the air and then our air is getting contaminated. Number four is obviously deforestation, because trees plays the important role to absorb the different types of bad gases as well. But if the trees will not be there, then obviously air will be getting more affected. Last one is smoking. Due to the smoking, our air is very badly affected. Now next we will discuss about the different causes of water pollution. Before that, let's discuss about the definition of this water pollution. So what is the definition? Now the water pollution can be defined as the alteration in physical, chemical or the biological characteristics of water. Done. Now there are also different types of water causes are present for water pollution. Now first I can say, like suppose beside the industry if there is a water body, then what will happen? From the industry the very bad products, when they will come out and they will next mix to the water body, then obviously the entire water body's ecosystem will be affected. Number two is again the farming chemicals. Through the precipitation, when these farming chemicals will blow out and then they will mix with the nearby water bodies, again our water body will be affected. Same the household purpose, like from the household we generally throw different kinds of waste and afterwards they come and they mix with the nearby water bodies, and by this it is also affecting our nearby water body system. So these are the major causes. Next is soil pollution. So soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's crust, we all know. Now soil pollution is defined as a change in physical, chemical and the biological conditions of the soil through the man's intervention, resulting in degradation in quality, productivity of the soil. Now the different pollutants enter the food chain at the plant level and get magnified as we move up and the food chain. So soil pollution generally differs from water and air pollutions in the sense that the pollutants remain in the soil for relatively longer periods. Next one is very important, radioactive pollution. So this radioactive pollution is defined as the increase in natural background like radiation emerging from the activities of man using naturally occurring or artificially produced radioactive materials. So in a very simple word, like the nuclear power plants and the other different types of bomb plants, they generally produce this kind of pollution. So these radiations from nature are cosmic radiations from the outer space reaching to the Earth's surface, the terrestrial radiation from the different natural radioscopes from the Earth's crust, etc. So these are the natural causes. Next, it is man-made radiations which originate from the use of radioactive materials in the nuclear power plants. So these are the basic two causes of this radioactive pollution. Last one is the noise pollution. So basically noise pollution is defined as an unwanted sound, that is an irritant obviously and a source of stress. So sound is the means of communication as well as the entertainment. A low sound is pleasant, but loud sound is really unpleasant, and it is often referred as a noise. Okay, so most of the noise originates from the modern industrialized urban life. The main sources of noise pollution you can say like the industrial sector, transportation sector, then the household sector, defense, loudspeakers, other miscellaneous sources are there. So in a very brief manner, if I just want to gist of this entire topic, then I must say that there are the different causes present for each and every pollution, but you can find that more or less the causes are same. Maybe it's industry, it's the transportation system or any vehicle. After that, the forming chemicals all. So for this, I just want to request everyone to understand this topic. Don't need to mug up. Just try to understand and then apply your sense as well as your brain and then write the answer. Then I think you will score really good from this part. So till then, thank you and take care. Again in our next video, we will come up with a new topic of geography. Till then, thank you and take care.